Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add internet speed in your taskbar in your Windows 11 desktop or laptop. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you like to add internet speed appear in your taskbar so you can know what is the current internet speed have in your Windows 11 desktop or laptop. In order to do that, you need to go in your Windows 11 search bar and type here Microsoft Store. So you have to jump over Microsoft Store. After jump over in the Microsoft Store, you need to download a app. So which app's name is Net Speed Meter. So this is the apps which is you need to download. So you're going to click here get. Let me download these apps, and we're going to wait to the download these apps, and after that, I'm going to share with you how this little apps going to be give you the option to see the current internet speed in your desktop or laptop. You can see this apps is already downloaded and it has installed successfully. Let me click here open. After click over open, we're going to see there will be some apps or pop-up going to appear. Let me close all these things, and now you can see we're going to see the internet speed download and upload speed in my PC. You can bring this speed status bar in your taskbar. You can just go click over there, and this is the apps. You need to right click over on it and click here keep in taskbar. Now you can see that internet speed is appear in my taskbar, so it's always going to be appear, and it's going to be give me the current internet speed in my desktop or laptop. So in this simple way, you can easily see your current internet speed in your desktop or laptop. So that's one now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.